Hello and welcome back. We finally had some sick parts rock up to the shop. So I've already gone ahead and test fitted the bell housing. This is the Castlemaine kit. The clutch came in a briefcase. So this is the twin plate sprung clutch, which is apparently super streetable, but it still holds like 1,000 plus Newton meters of torque. So it's going to be perfect for what I want to do, a bit of a daily streeter drifter. So we're going to get stuck into it and see how everything fits. Probably get it fitted up to the engine today and yeah. So camera died, but the flywheel is on. Everything's torqued to spec. I've got a new pilot bushing in there. Pretty much ready to go. And now clutch can get assembled on top of that. As you can see, our apprentice is working so hard.
Look at this dude.
So anyway, that's on. It's a little bit tight in there. I think it's because the pilot bearing is brand new, so. But everything seems aligned, so we're gonna do some measurements and then chuck the gearbox on, see if it goes on easy, and yeah.
So Ruben's over there busy making a coffee. But I thought I'd give you guys a bit of an update. So I've pretty much got the engine bay almost ready for paint.
There's so many like pointless holes. Who needs that many holes? And none of these were being used, mind you.
We're gonna bog all of that up. How many holes do you reckon
There are just on this side. Seriously? I mean, weight reduction, I guess, but.
One eternity later.
How does it fit?
Dude, that's not good, eh? That's proper, like, look at this. It's so sick. I'm actually stoked. There's plenty of room pretty much everywhere, and it still goes up more. It sits pretty much level with the chassis rail. Yeah, shifter lines up almost perfectly. I have two spots I can choose from and they're pretty much in the center, so I'm gonna get one of those little elbow things. And yeah, should be mint. Have a look from the back, you can actually see all the space on the side. I thought I was gonna have to shave down like bits like there, these bits, but it just fits in there mint, so. And now the sump actually sits like perfect as well in here, because before obviously it was sagging a bit.
Yeah.
It's touching. Down a little gold nugget. Oh, yum. Glad the paint's not new.
Just subscribe and we won't come after you. If you haven't seen the previous ones, go watch them. see you on the next one. Cheers, mate.